What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now, guys, when you pick up a new iPhone, one of the cases that's going to catch your eye, especially if you like in the Apple store, is just a simple silicone case with MagSafe. And you know, these kind of change a little bit from year to year. So I definitely had to check out a silicone case for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, as you can see, this is in the colorway called Plum. You know, y'all know I got a thing for purple. I like different, variations or different colorways of purple. I think this is a dope case that'll go great with the Desert Titanium colorway on my 16 Pro. So as you can see, typical white Apple packaging, just a typical clean Apple aesthetic. So we're just going to get the case out and check it out. We're going to give a rip right here, lift up, and we've got the case. And here it is, guys. Let me let y'all see it before I put my fingerprints on it. It's nice plum colorway. I think this is a dope color, guys. As you can see, now they got like more intentionally raised up around the camera lenses, because it seems like every year the camera lenses on smartphones get bigger and bigger, and that's not an issue because I love it. I love to get the best of the smartphone cameras. So a quick breakdown of this case. As you can see, purple colorway. As you can see, it seems like the Apple on the back of the case is dark purple, and this ring is like a little darker purple. But just a really clean, nice color. As you can see, we got the button press built into the case, so we got to see how this button press actually feels. You got your volume rocker, your action button. Now, I like this touch right here inside of the case. Inside of the silicone case, we got a nice microfiber lining, and you can see your circle for your MagSafe. Now on this side, we got the power button, and we got the camera control, and this look like some more type of touch capacitive button. It's not like a regular button like the rest of the buttons. It's more so a plastic button. And maybe they just did this just to add some contrast, or maybe it just makes the camera control work better when you're using the case. I'm not sure. I see a lot of third-party companies just cutting out an actual hole for the camera control button, but this one actually has some type of special button for the camera control button. Now, this is a very minimal case. Feels really good in the hand. It's like a polycarbonate case that's been covered in like with a silicone skin. So nice soft touch. When it's in your hand, you go, hold your phone all day, because it's not like beating up your hand, and it's kind of like protecting your hand from, the aluminum that's on the iPhone. And this actual raised lip for the camera, it looks two-tone, like it's half that dark purple and then half the purple from the silicone, which is a lighter purple. So here we go, guys. Got the iPhone 16 Pro actually in the silicone case, and I mean, nice and raised up around the camera. Camera protection is on point. You got your cutouts down bottom. You got a decently big cutout for your Type-C and little holes for your speaker. Now let's feel this button press. Okay, nice tactile button press. When you first touch it, it's a little mushy. It's tactile when you get to the bottom, but up top, when you first press it, you got to press it a little harder than the natural button press. It's a little mushy at the top, just a little bit, but still a pretty good button press. And as far as the camera control button, it works. I don't use camera control that much, so I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, it makes it better or worse, but it works how it's supposed to work. Now, like I said, guys, when you look at the front, really minimum case right here, not big or bulky at all. Nice, soft silicone touch. And at the same time, you got a nice raised lip around the front of the display. So you want that raised lip in case you drop your device on a flat surface. And if you drop your device on a flat surface, the case will take the impact instead of the display of your device, causing you a cracked or a shattered screen. Now, this is a MagSafe case, so I just want to quickly test the MagSafe strength of the silicone case from Apple. Let's go. I'm only holding the MagSafe ring holder, and the phone is not going anywhere. MagSafe strength is definitely good on this case. Definitely good. Definitely holding the iPhone. It didn't slip off yet. But yeah, this is the Apple silicone case in plum for the iPhone 16 Pro. I definitely leave a link down in the description, and they have a whole lot of colors, guys, so you might want to check them out. Good MagSafe, good protection, soft touch, just a good Apple aesthetic, good Apple fanboy aesthetic here. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.